Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to start selling print-on-demand products? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to connect Printful to WooCommerce in 2024, automating your order fulfillment process. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, in today's video guys, we are going to use this article by Printful.com that's talking about how can we set up our online store by combining WooCommerce and Printful. So, one of the best ways to build an e-commerce business is to create a dropshipping store. It usually doesn't require a lot of money to get started, and there are multiple ways to do it. For example, starting print-on-demand dropshipping. With this store, in Printful, it makes it easy and doesn't require any upfront investment. Printful fulfills and ships your orders to your customers only after an order has been placed. But to start using Printful, you need to create a store using an e-commerce platform or a marketplace. WooCommerce is one such platform. Whether you want to create a new print-on-demand WooCommerce store or want to expand your existing store, the WooCommerce plus Printful integration might just be the right fit for you. So, can I integrate Printful with WooCommerce? Yes, this integration is available 100%. It can be done with WooCommerce and over 15 other platforms and marketplaces. WooCommerce is one of the most popular open source e-commerce platforms out there. It's really customizable, making it easier to create your dream store. Plus, you can add features and extend the functionality of your store with official WooCommerce plugins. So, now, how to connect Printful to WooCommerce? Well, to connect Printful to WooCommerce, you first need to create a WooCommerce account. Once you have done that, it's time to integrate. Let's go through the process of integration, the Printful with WooCommerce step by step. As you can see, first of all, go ahead and open Printful.com and create your account. That should be easy to do, so it won't require that much of time. So here, by going to this page, click on Sign Up, on Printful of course. Here, you will have to sign up with your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. So you have mainly four ways to do so. After clicking on this, we can click right here on Google, for example, and simply click on one of your emails and you will be logged in. Then once you have done that, you will need to install Printful WooCommerce plugin. To do so, head up to the dashboard that you have in your WordPress website or WooCommerce, then click onto the plugins, click on add new, and this will open this marketplace or this plugin page. Here search for Printful, as you can see, and it will be the first one that will be shown, Printful integration for WooCommerce. It has more than 50k active installations, so you can click right here, install it now, and that's exactly what they have done in this article. Now, once you have installed it, you have to activate it, of course, so make sure to go to install plugins right through this area, and from here go ahead and choose the where is it, Printful, and activate it just like that. So the plugin has been activated successfully. So now it is activated, so we don't have to worry about it. Now, when the plugin is activated, you will be able to easily access it from the side menu. When you click on the Printful plugin, you will see that there are two things you will need to do before you can connect your WooCommerce store. The first one is the WooCommerce API will not work unless your permalinks are set up correctly. To do that, go to permalink settings and make sure that they are not set to the plain one. So go here to the settings and basically check the permalinks. After that, make sure that they are not in the plain one. The plain one is the hardest one to be read by as a URL. So then name is easier, month and name are best, numeric is good, and post name is better. So you can choose one of these. I think also the custom structure is working. Do not just choose the plain one because it will have just random numbers and it will not make any sense for it. So after you did that, as you can see here, they have set up everything. Choose the correct one that you want, and then you will have to actually do one more step, which is your site needs to enable WooCommerce API. So the Printful can connect to it, go to the API settings and enable it. That will require also to go to the WooCommerce plugin, which normally will be available to be found in this area as long as you have it. Now, I don't have it in my site because I have an old version of WordPress that's not very available for working with the WooCommerce latest version. That is why I'm not using it. So here, as you can see, this is the step that you have to take, but just by clicking on this link, which is API settings, it will take you directly to this page onto the WooCommerce settings and advanced. So under the advanced tab, click on the legacy API and check the enable the legacy REST API box. Then click on save changes. Now you can go back to the Printful plugin and synchronize your WooCommerce store with Printful. Then click on connect. So click on connect. Now it will ask you for permissions to connect Printful with WooCommerce. Well, then click on approve. After you approve that process, then you will be redirected with Printful. Sign into your existing account or click continue if you're already signed in. You can also create a new free account here if you don't have one yet. So here, let me just click on continue. As you can see, Printful, and the account should be accessed easily. This is my account and it has been created. So once you have done that, it will come the second step. Once you are in your account, you will need to confirm the connection by clicking connect store to your email address. It will take a few minutes to synchronize. Then add in product to your online store. Now you can start adding product to your WooCommerce store. To start, click add product and choose the product category and model from Printful products catalog. So let's go here, products catalog, and you can here start creating products. So let's choose to bring, for example, this hat, and this is going to be the hat that we are going to use. So we could go with this one. And we can now create product templates. Now in the product template, you can add your designs, you can do a lot of things. So it starts by adding a limited colors, as you can see, got it. And here you can upload and drop your design. So it could be a design that you already have or a design that you will be creating in here. I'm just gonna add like this Wix logo here. Just leave it there. This is how it will look if you zoomed in. And now save templates. Once you have saved the template, you will go to find it in this area with all the things that you have designed before. So it's going to be shown in here. Now what you could do next is simply go back to here and follow this article to know it more. So here they are showing you more detailed about the things that you can do, which basically I've made a whole video about Printful, so you can learn from that video and see how we made our designs. So as you can see here, we made plenty of designs, so you can learn all about that, how you can pick the price, how you can pick the size and colors, and all the variations that will be coming with the actual product. So yeah. Now once you have done that and you added everything that is needed to be added, then go to the settings in case you will add any shipping. So for us, normally I won't do that. I will simply just add the cost of shipping and everything within Printful, and then I will simply import it to WooCommerce and they will be in our site. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.